Oo.
Wala bang hindi naiyak?
Ayan sa ating 100,000 views. Yan, welcome.
Okay. Pero hanggang ano?
Tingnan lang natin to mag-800. Magpapaalam na po kami.
Okay. Ay, hanggang dito lang sa 50. Okay.
21 minutes din. Ayan, 21 minutes papaalam na rin kami kung gano'ng katagal yung sinantay.
How's your evening? We are about to show you guys. Maraming kaming bundle for this live.
Oo.
Ano mo dyan?
Yun na yun. Sorry lang baka namin.
Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo dyan? Puro 4 o'clock.
May pinanggalingan kasi kami kaya.
Yes.
Bye guys. Malis na.
Okay, we'll start with the first bundle if that's okay with you guys.
Sa deals muna.
Kasi, it's a lot cheaper. Sobrang sulit kasi na dalawa na yun. Doon ako nabubudol eh. Ako, personally. Bundles. So we have our first bundle. It's the Perfect for All Skin Types Live Exclusive Bundle.
Bundle 1.
Bundle 1.
Sariling echo.
Okay. So, okay, wait lang. So we have it's so tiny. We have the flavonoid pore gel cleanser, the flavonoid mask. So I believe meron siyang, when you purchase it, you have 10 sheets of mask. Tama ba?
Tama ba?
Tama.
So, nagulat lang ako kasi sulit, no?
Yun lang. Ano na ako, I love